cycling from ice ages to warmer periods. But in the last century, the planet's temperature has risen unusually fast, about 1.2 to 1.4 degrees Fahrenheit. Scientists believe it's human activity that's driving the temperatures up, a process known as global warming.
Besides getting a basic understanding of what global warming is, one must understand its causes. We cannot solve this situation if we don't know what is causing it. The depletion of our ozone layer is caused by other things, like aerosol spray cans and refrigerants. Although most scientists agree ozone depletion is not caused by the rise in temperature, some evidence suggests that climate change may contribute to the thinning of the productive ozone layer. Most scientists agree that the CO2 is the main cause of global warming. 80% of CO2 becomes a greenhouse gas. Methane is also a contributor to global warming, since methane is 20 times as powerful when acting as a greenhouse gas, although only 3% of methane acts as a greenhouse gas. Power plants are the leading CO2 emission category, claiming 40% of emissions. The combustion reactions from cars and trucks used during fuel consumption alleges 33% of emissions.
The effects of global warming are tragic. Understanding which troubles are worth going through is also important. The rising sea levels are caused by global warming. Polar ice caps begin to melt from the increased temperature around the poles. The ice caps melting cause an increase in the sea level and thus less habitable surface area. Besides the rising sea levels, the most threatening effect of global warming is extreme weather conditions. Category 4 and 5 hurricanes have risen in frequency from 20 to 35% over the last 30 years. As an effect of global warming, hurricanes are stronger, wetter, and more numerous. As temperature swings increase, we are left with flooding in some areas and drought in others. The drought creates correct conditions for forest fires. Average global temperatures could rise between 3.2 degrees and 7.1 degrees Fahrenheit by the year 2100. Ways to cut back. Since the two highest emissions come from power plants and vehicles, driving smarter routes and cutting back on electricity can do a lot to reduce CO2 emissions. Recycling also helps factories save energy and helps pollution as well. Switching to fluorescent light bulbs can save a lot of electricity, and they can last up to 10 times as long as a traditional light bulb. Many people have also started to use solar panels to heat and cool their homes. Midwestern regions, but not limited to that region, who are exposed to high winds begin to use wind turbines as an alternative to coal burning.